Umbalade, you are my rock. You are more than just my sounding board. You are my best friend. You are my prayer warrior when sometimes I doubt prayer myself. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Jide Oziegwe Smith, do take thee, Mobolade Oinkosola Shongowawa, to be my lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. You showed me a different way to handle things. You forced me to understand the importance of family. You forced me to understand the importance of good friends, because Mobo's friends are so amazing. Mobo, all I can do is promise to be your best friend, your confidant, your lover, and your husband. I love you. I just want you to know that this is only the beginning of the rest of our forever. I love you dearly, and whatever happens, we will make it work. Thank you for choosing me.
You call me, oh, Shotty. Ice.